How to fix live suspended on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on three line icon from the top right corner. Now from this drop down menu, tap on settings and privacy. Once you get to settings and privacy page, here scroll down and under support and about, tap on report a problem. It will take some time to load up and process. After that, you will have certain option in your interface. Now from here, what you have to do is choose a topic and you have to choose the live option. From here, choose hosting live and then tap on live is suspended. Now from here, tap on no. Then tap on need more help. Now you will get a TikTok help text. Tap on send message and type in the message saying that you want get help to fix your live suspended on TikTok. After that, send the message and TikTok help desk will get you back and will help you out to fix your live suspended on TikTok. And that's how you can fix live suspended on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.